Okay, let's clear up some terminology here and see what's going on in this slide here. What they've got here is this negative b over 2a and the function of the same thing, right? Negative b over 2a. So what is that? And they're saying that that's where you get the vertex. So when you have a quadratic equation in standard form, now standard form means it has to be something x squared plus something x plus something. In this case, it would be 1x squared, but math, we don't show the 1. 1x squared minus 8x plus 7, right? When it's in standard form, they would say the number in front of the x squared is a. The number in front of the x is designated as b, and the number by itself is c. Now for finding the vertex, and the vertex, remember, if we have a parabola, it's right here. It's where the parabola changes from decreasing to increasing, or if we had a reflection of a parabola, that's a bad parabola, but if we had the reflection, it's where it changes from increasing to decreasing, okay? So that's our point there. To find the vertex, to find that point, all we need to know is the a value and the b value. We don't even know the c value. And here's how it works. The x value at the vertex is equal to negative b over 2a, right? That's how I find the x value at the vertex. Well, it looks like you got to be careful here. Negative 8. Be careful with that negative sign. Okay, because b itself is negative 8, and there's a negative in the formula, over 2 times 1, right? So x equals 8 over 2, or x equals 4. So you use this little formula to find the x value of the vertex, right? So we go over here, the x value is 4. Now, the y value, or the f at x value, right? It's this terminology, it's f at negative. What it really means is take our x, substitute it in, and get our y value, right? So we take our x, and we'll use the fancy terminology. I'm going to use purple, change the color here, okay? We take our x value and substitute it in. And this is where instead of saying y, we can just say, what's f at 4? It's like saying, find y when x equals 4. It's the same thing. Find y when x equals 4. Or you can just say f at 4, which means substitute in 4 for the x's. Either way, I get 4 squared minus 8 times 4 plus 7. That's 16 minus 32 plus 7. And 16 minus 30 plus 7, it looks like it's going to be 16 minus 32 is negative 16 plus 7 is negative 9. Negative 9, okay? So we end up with a vertex for this function of 4 and negative 9. And that's what they're talking about on this slide, is that you can quickly find a vertex for any parabola. And that's the key point of a parabola, right? Either the minimum point or the maximum point. You can quickly find it using this little wee formula, negative b over 2a, and then substituting in to get the y value as well, okay? And that's how it works.